Hi there, in this video we are going to take a polar equation and we're going to rewrite it as a rectangular equation. So we are given the equation r equals 6 secant of theta, and we want to change it to a rectangular equation. Basically, that means change all the r's and thetas into x's and y's. You know that you are done when you no longer have an r or a theta, but you only have an x and a y. And if we were changing the other way, if we started with a rectangular and we wanted to change it to polar, you would want to make sure that all of your x's and y's were gone and you only had r's and thetas. So here we go. We have this fun little cheat sheet, and this works for coordinates and for equations. And what we know is that r squared is equivalent to x squared plus y squared. And we know that x is equivalent to r cosine of theta and y is equivalent to r sine of theta. So let's see what we can do to manipulate this equation to get us something in that manner. So the first thing that I notice is that I have a secant of theta. Well, that secant of theta I could change into 1 over cosine. So I would have 6 times 1 over cosine of theta. If I multiplied cosine of theta up, if I multiplied cosine of theta to both sides, this goes away, and I have r cosine of theta equals 6. That is perfect. R cosine of theta, if you look over here on this cheat sheet, R cosine of theta equals X. This whole thing can be replaced with an X. So X equals 6. This is our final answer. X equals 6. That is a rectangular equation. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like this. That's what our equation is. We no longer have an r, we no longer have a theta, and therefore we know that we are done.